Hey y'all, I'm Sarah of Music by Sarah, and today I'm just going to address a couple of quick tuning FAQs to help you get the most out of tuning your guitar. One of the first questions I get is, how do I know which direction to turn the tuning pegs? And for that question, I like to say, listen. I don't want to tell you which direction to go. It's more important that you learn to hear the difference of whether the string is getting higher, hear how that's going up, or whether it's getting lower, like that. Once you learn to hear the difference as you're playing, you'll know which direction to turn. Because if you've got a headstock like this, the knobs up here and the knobs down here are going to turn in different directions to get those different results. So it's important that you listen. Another question I get is, what notes am I shooting for anyway? So we've got a little poem here, Eddie, 8, Dynamite, Goodbye, Eddie. That breaks down the string names for a standard 6-string guitar. So you've got E, A, D, G, B, and E. Another question that I get is, which of the tuning knobs do I turn for that string? This is going to seem pretty basic, but one of the best ways to figure it out is to put your finger on the string and trace it all the way up. Make sure you're on the tuning peg where it ends. So same here, trace it all the way up, ends here. And then for this one, all the way up, ends here. Also recommend keeping your fingers on that tuning peg, because if you turn it one direction and you take your hand off and then you come back up, you might grab the wrong tuning peg. So make sure that you keep your hands on that tuning peg. Another question, how do I hear if it's getting higher or lower? Listen, play around with it. Do exactly what I did a moment ago and turn your knobs in different directions to listen to whether the tone is getting higher or lower. I hope this helped. If you have additional questions, let me know and I'll do another tutorial. See y'all soon. Bye.